Microsoft Forms is one of the Office 365 apps that comes in its suite of products. If your organization has purchased the Microsoft Office 365 line, then you will have this icon in your suite of products called Forms. When you click on this, you will open up Microsoft Forms, and you will see two places where you can either add a new form for gathering data, or you can add a new quiz where you can put in right and wrong answers. For the particular quiz that you did in this module on the Forces Anticipation Guide, I used the quiz one. I want to go in here and show you a few things that I did. Some of you may have scored a 100 on that quiz, and you didn't have the opportunity to see any of the reteaching that I did for students who might get some of the answers wrong. In this anticipation guide, I used a technique called branching. If you go up here to the three dots in your form and click on branching, you can add this feature to some of your quizzes. For this particular question, if an object is moving, then an unbalanced force must be acting on it. That answer is actually false. And so if you got it correct, you went straight to question 3, which was a different question. If you were to put true and get it wrong, I have it branched where it will go to question 2 that says, uh-oh, you missed this one, and to watch the video. I did this to 2 questions in this particular survey. I also did it down here on the one about the moon exerting gravity. So if it goes to the next question, then it goes to that video. Watch the video. Another feature I used in this particular quiz, I use explanations in them. So if you take a look in the editing mode, let's go to question 3. For this one, if a student got the wrong answer, I clicked on this little explanation box that says display a message to respondents who select this answer. So here I gave them an explanation if they got it wrong, where it says actually if an object is motionless, meaning it isn't moving at all, forces are acting on it. The forces just happen to be balanced, so the object does not accelerate. This gives students an opportunity to understand what it is that they missed. At the end of this, you're able to collect all of the data and see how your students actually do. To do that, you just click on responses, and you will get charts here of how everyone scored. In this particular one, I only have 1 response at the moment, but you would have more, and you can see how many students got things right, how many got them wrong, and that will actually drive your instruction. You will know what you need to go over pretty heavily. You will know things that you can just review quickly, and you'll kind of know where your students are, and if you need to spend 1 day of instruction on forces, or 2, or maybe even 3. So always let the data drive your instruction, and Microsoft Forms is a great way to access that.